For over 20 years, ChangLi Electric Tricycle Factory has grown from a small dream into a key player in the industry. Today, let's explore the world of ChangLi and its remarkable journey. ChangLi Vehicle Factory was established in 1996, covering an area of over 60,000 square meters, located in Lijia Town, Wujing District, Changzhou City. It is a well-established brand in the Changzhou region. As technology advanced, ChangLi stayed ahead by investing in research and innovation to enhance product performance and quality. From traditional electric tricycles to smart and eco-friendly models, ChangLi leads industry. Now, let's take a look at some standard features of ChangLi electric vehicles. We specialize in the research, development, production, and the sales of electric tricycles. Primarily manufacture a range of products including small electric tricycles, electric cargo tricycles, electric passenger tricycles, leisure vehicles for the elderly, and the electric four-wheelers. Our product lines also includes transformers, metal compartments, fiberglass compartments, vehicle frames, and the complete vehicle plastic components. The company has over 50 senior technical staff with strong expertise and practical experience, along with a team of skilled managers. This provides solid technical and management support for product development and production. We have 4 advanced assembly lines that use a streamlined, highly mechanized process, greatly reduce assembly time. The company can produce over 80 models across 6 major electric vehicle series, with annual sales exceeding 100,000 units. Our production capacity and market share are among the highest in the industry. Our welding workshop is equipped with modern automatic machines and use advanced techniques like pickling and electrophoretic painting to ensure that frames and the compartments are rust-proof. We have thorough testing methods to ensure product quality. Our vehicles are not only popular across China, but are also exported to Southeast Asia, the United States, South America, and Eastern Europe. The company adheres to the principle of ChangLi vehicles, striving for perfection, dedicated to providing consumers with first-class products and a comprehensive after-sales service. Our consumer service hotline is open 24 hours a day to promptly resolve any consumer's issues, fostering long-term, stable, and harmonious strategic partnerships with our clients. For over 2 decades, ChangLi has built a legacy of strength and innovation. Looking for the future, ChangLi will continue to innovate and provide even better products and service. Let's look forward to the bright future ChangLi will create.
Choose Changzhou City Vehicle Industry Company Limited, and let's create a brighter future together. Welcome to join us.